How's it going, guys? I got my table in. It's not 100% done, but I still need to do like a final coating. But I'm super happy with it, and I'll show you how it works. So underneath the subfloor, we've got the motor to the two linear actuators, and those push up the pole through here, and it's currently retracted, which will be in bed mode, so create a nice platform in between the benches on either side and the tabletop. And then once I get that hooked up, that'll lift the table up and then allow people like sit on the other side and use it as a tabletop. And I wanted to make this table as light as possible and strong as possible. So what I did was I put in just a bunch of like crosscut plywood sections underneath the different legs, and then only have like 1/4 inch of alder on top, and so that allows it to be light but also have that reinforcement. And one thing I wanted to show off was that how this disconnect will work. So basically I don't want to have a full connection, so it's got this beam that's connected to the linear actuator, and all these little attachment points have like round parts, so I could just lift these off, and so that is just on the off chance that like it's in table mode and then something happens with the circuit and lowers down. Don't want like people to be sitting here and have like their legs compressed. So that's there, and should have enough like support that it holds everything up and be good. So yeah, I've got the same attachment over on that side as well. And underneath the tabletop, this section like lifts up. I'll this off more once the table's totally finished, but I've got a play surface down here that'll have a nice felt base, and the idea is that when it's in table mode, people can have like games down here, and if I ever have the setup so that like people can be sitting here while I'm driving, then it's all enclosed so people won't like parts won't go flying off the table and stuff like that. And it'll also be nice for like playing Dungeons and Dragons and stuff like that. And so this or the cover for that also has really nice laser cut, just basically a web of these little crosscut beams or cross beams that'll add support. And then currently it's a little like wobbly, so I tried laying on this, wasn't that great. So the idea is that I'll be using this frame and then shooting spray foam in all these different sections, and that'll really stiffen everything up, but also not add a ton of weight. So that's the plan. And I'll also be doing maybe just a coat of resin on top to add even more strength. Not sure about that yet, but yeah, that's the plan. So that's the table. I'm super happy with it, or how it's going so far. I wish I could show you guys it lifting up and going down already, but like I had mentioned before, I have a small business where I do laser cutting for like Dungeons and Dragons stuff, and it's December or the beginning of December right now, so orders are starting to come into that, and I'm really gonna crank those out to get them to people by Christmas. So I will probably be doing that all next week. So may not have a video next week, but once the holiday rush is done, I'll hop back on this and hope to show you guys something cool. But anyway, that's this week, guys. Have a good one.